Conversation between a boy and an uncle.
Hello, Uncle. Good evening.
I didn't recognize you. Who are you?
Uncle, I am Sam. I am Tom's friend. We have met at school last month. Then Tom introduced me to you.
Oh. Sorry, Sam. I really forgot you. Now I recognize. Please come in. Have a seat.
Thank you, Uncle.
Would you like to drink tea or coffee?
I neither drink tea nor coffee.
It is a good thing.
By the way, Uncle, is Tom at home?
No. He has gone to the supermarket. Well, tell me, what brings you here?
Today I couldn't go to school. So, I wanted to ask him about homework.
Why didn't you go to school today?
Because I had to go to the hospital with my mom.
What happened to your mother?
She has a fever.
How is she now?
She is better now.
In talking to you, I forgot that he would be coming in a short while. Let's talk till then.
Of course, Uncle.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is George Fernandez.
Where does he work?
He works in Bosco Company.
Where do you live?
I live at Tusco Road, 7th floor, near Bank.
Oh, I see. Well, Sam, how is your study going on?
It is all right, Uncle.
In which class are you?
In class 12.
In which section?
In section A.
Who is your class teacher?
Mrs. Carrie T. Souza is our class teacher.
What does she teach you?
She teaches us maths.
How many students are there in your class?
There are 70 students in our class.
Who is your class monitor?
His name is John.
How many friends do you have?
I only have one best friend, named Tom.
Wow, I am glad to hear that. By the way, how do you go to school?
I go to school on my father's bike.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Uncle, I like to read novels.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a teacher.
If you work hard, you would be whatever you want.
Yes, Uncle. You are right.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.